Hello, I am Kiki from KikaGoods. Today we are going to open Nobeko Azukisan's Good Morning Azukisan Campus Plush Pendant Blind Box. Before diving in, hit subscribe button below for more unboxing reviews. I'm excited that our 3rd anniversary is coming, and KikaGoods is offering big discounts. Don't miss out on the event. The adorable Azukisan is back again, still as cute as ever. This is a beautiful box right here. The colors of the packaging are very appealing. From the colorful illustrations on the cover, I am more curious about them. This time, their campus life is incredibly colorful. I do believe you will love them. Okay, welcome to Azukisan campus. There are 6 individual boxes in the whole box. On the side, there are 6 regular styles and 1 hidden style. I'm really eager to show it to you. Can we get the hidden one today? Open it up and take a look together. Okay, the first one. Who's in this one? Oh, this is my favorite one, named Call for You. This is extremely unique. A cute mobile phone-shaped design. It even has antennas to receive signals, so adorable. And to top it off, this phone is foldable. It's easy to open it up like this. Let's see. The wallpaper is even its own portrait. How cute is that? I really want to have this phone for myself. I believe it can also be used as a backpack charm. It is very convenient to carry around. I absolutely love this design. It's full of innovation and surprises. Let's see what the second one will be. I believe this one is a campus sensation. It's called Be Your Support. For me, just hearing that name alone feels incredibly cool. It has a round and plump belly. It looks so strong and sturdy. I feel that it exudes a big brother-like aura and is filled with a sense of justice throughout. Perhaps it's a fan of strawberry-flavored bubblegum. It's so interesting. The bubblegum in its mouth is so much fun. Just give it a little squeeze and it'll blow bubbles. Anyway, sometimes we can hang it inside the car. It must be a beautiful scenic touch. On campus, I think having such a badass senior having your back is seriously cool. What kind of surprise will the 3rd figure bring to me? Wow, this one is just too adorable. Look at its lazy expression. Maybe it didn't get enough rest last night. This is just like a reflection of myself in daily life, isn't it? It seems like it doesn't want to move at all, to the extent that it can't even pick up a pen. That's so funny. I'm glad that this one has a body filled with colloidal filling, and we can change its sitting posture. At this moment, it probably wants to find a cozy spot to take a good nap. It's really too cute. Come on, next, let's open it up and appreciate it. Wow, I think this one is comparable to a hidden. So beautiful. Actually, this one really loves to eat, but its breakfast consists of a sandwich with only vegetables. I think it's very healthy. Here, you can see its t-shirt paired with a little skirt is extremely adorable. The blue bow on the chest is also very elegant. The sandwich hood is removable. So you can also try wearing it on another doll's head like this. Study committee member who wants to have a panini. It believes that studying requires energy from being well fed. I mostly want to have such an adorable doll. Now, turning our attention to this one, what we've got here. Wow, my goodness. Let's check it. I really picked up an exercise book. This one is actually the hidden style. I think it's another lucky day. We know that this design is inspired by a book with warm and soft orange tones. I really love it. Especially the two round, big eyes. With a smiling face, the head design is very three-dimensional. At the back, there's also its iconic little tail design, which is incredibly adorable. This book can actually be opened. Let's open it and see what's written in it. Wow, it's filled with knowledge that's actually used in class. It's incredibly detailed. Anyway, the plushness and thickness are both excellent, making it irresistibly cuddly. I have to say it really speaks to me, and I'm definitely going to hang it on my favorite bag. The last one. Have you found your favorite already? Come on! This guy, holding a guitar, is the campus heartthrob, writing poetry for you. Just look at its deeply passionate expression, exuding such charming allure. We can see that the cute little guitar even has musical notes on it, which is designed with finesse and delicacy. Look here, the little tail at the back is also incredibly adorable. It's very talented. What kind of music is it popping up? Gentle and romantic. It is incredibly popular and deeply healing. I love it very much. Thank you so much for watching our blind box unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your fellow collectors. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more unboxing content. This is Kiki from KikaGoods. See you next time.